Welcome to our channel. Today we how to transfer your UI layout into responsive breakpoints in Webflow. Detailed guide step by step clearly. To begin transferring your UI layout into responsive breakpoints in Webflow, open your project in the Webflow Designer. Select the desired page where your layout is located. Ensure you are on the desktop breakpoint, as this will serve as your base design. Review the overall layout and identify the key elements that need adjustment at different screen sizes. Next, navigate to the breakpoint switcher at the top of the designer. Click on the tablet breakpoint to adjust your layout for medium screens. Analyze the spacing and size of each element. Make necessary changes such as resizing images, adjusting margins, and modifying font sizes to enhance readability. Proceed to the mobile landscape breakpoint. Focus on optimizing the layout for this narrower view. Ensure that navigation elements are easily accessible and that text is legible. Continue to the mobile portrait breakpoint. At this stage, consider stacking elements vertically where applicable. Adjust padding to ensure that your design appears balanced on smaller screens. Use Webflow's preview mode to check how the changes look in real time. Pay special attention to usability and how elements respond as you resize the preview window. After reviewing the mobile layout, revert to the tablet breakpoint. Make any final adjustments to ensure a seamless transition between breakpoints. Once satisfied with the tablet layout, return to the desktop view. Double-check that all interactive elements function properly across all devices. Finally, publish your site to see the responsive design live across various screen sizes. This process ensures your UI layout is effectively adapted to responsive breakpoints in Webflow. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.